I am looking for a fair process, a process where I can defend my integrity and clear my name. And all I'm asking for is fairness and that I be heard.
Now, a new Supreme Court nominee, Brett Kavanaugh, goes on the record to denying multiple sexual misconduct allegations against him. The nominee and his wife sat down for an extensive interview with Fox News Monday night, defending himself and his character. And just moments ago at the United Nations, the president accused the Democrats of engaging in a con job against Kavanaugh and praised his denials. CBS 4's Nicole Killian has the latest from Capitol Hill.
Judge Brett Kavanaugh defended himself during an interview on Fox News Monday night.
I've never sexually assaulted anyone in high school or otherwise.
Kavanaugh denies even knowing Dr. Christine Blasey Ford, who claims he tried to force himself on her when they were teenagers.
I may have met her. We did not travel in the same social circles. She was not a friend, not someone I knew.
You don't remember ever being at parties with her ever?
I do not.
And he denies he exposed himself to Deborah Ramirez while at another party in college.
I never did any such thing. Never did any such thing. The other people alleged to be there don't recall any such thing.
The Kavanaugh interview was part of a concerted effort from Republicans at the White House and on Capitol Hill to fight back against the allegations.
President Trump tweeted the Democrats were trying to destroy Kavanaugh with an array of false accusations, the likes of which have never been seen before.
A smear campaign, pure and simple, aided and abetted by members of the United States Senate.
Republicans on Capitol Hill say there will be a vote soon on Kavanaugh's confirmation, while Democrats say it should be delayed until there can be an investigation.
If you really believed these allegations are part of a despicable smear job, Leader McConnell, why don't you call for an FBI investigation?
Blasey and Kavanaugh will both testify before the Senate this Thursday. Nicole Killian, CBS News, Capitol Hill.